Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to add widgets to your macOS application with WidgetKit. So let's get started. So here I have my Xcode open, so I'll just click on create new project. I'll select macOS, select app, click next. Then over here you can select whatever you feel like. You can either select SwiftUI or you can select storyboard, doesn't really matter. I'll just keep it as it is. Click next, and here I can give it, I will just click create. Once this is done, all you have to do is for WidgetKit or to display widgets, just click on file, new, target, and here you will have to search for widget extension. Click next, and here I will just name whatever you feel like. I just name it as my personal widget. Click finish, click activate. Once that is done, you can go to your my personal widget folder which has been created. Go to this particular Swift file, my personal widget, and here you can change the UI or change the business logic to whatever you feel like. And here I will just change the UI to something like text. Now WidgetKit only supports Swift UI, so you can't write AppKit or UIKit logic inside this. Also, the other important thing is they only run from macOS Sonoma, so you will at least need to have that particular version of Mac running. Hello everyone, this is nobody. Okay, now I'll quickly run this app. Now here you don't have to select your personal widgets, just select your app, click run. So hopefully our app is built. So okay, the build succeeded. So I have my app. So as you can see over here, I have my app. Again, nothing is displayed on the app because we haven't done anything. We have created a widget for it. Now to see the widget for our particular app, just go select on time and date and time, click edit widgets, and here you can just select your app, my Mac app. So that is the name which I gave it, and here you can drag and drop the widget whatever size you are happy with. So I'll just select this one and it just drops. Okay, I'll click on done, and here you can see I'm able to see my widget. So if I just go to my okay, sorry, it hasn't okay, so here is the widget. So I'll just drag and drop it over here. So yeah, this is how the widget looks like. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.